Silver reflection, Riflesso d'Argento. One of my favorite looks because it plays with the blonde. This time I decided to come with something different. Why we don't play with the blonde shades on it? So this was the turning point, you know, that yes, you can be blonde, but in the same time you have lots of beautiful shades, especially when you are using the tone and gloss. We have lots of beautiful shades that you can add in your toner, that it gives you that really attractive blonde, but in the same time is not gonna look pale on the face. So this blonde, you can wear it every day to give you that look, which is the shadow and the light in the same time.
Sectioning. Section the hair into 4 quadrants. Pro tip, mist the hair with Tea Royal Treatment Bond and Seal before each foil to even the porosity for optimal results. Step 1. Starting at the nape, take 1/8 of an inch slices, diagonal back, ensuring you are generously saturating the hair for an even lift. Place 2 back-to-back foils on each side of the hairline, applying Formula 1. Step 2. From the crown, take 1/8 of an inch medium weaving sections, teasing twice at the root. Proceed for the entirety of the crown. Step 3. On the sides, take horizontal 1/8 of an inch weaved subsections, stopping at parietal ridge. Step 4. For your bangs, take back-to-back 1/8 of an inch weaved foils. Process until desired level is achieved. 45 minutes suggested. Rinse for 3 to 5 minutes with lukewarm water, followed by Tea Royale treatment clarifying shampoo and clarifying treatment. Step 5. Section for face framing and apply Formula 2. Place in foils to keep sections separated. Step 6. Mist the hair with Royal Treatment Bond and Seal, then apply Formula 3. Process for 20 minutes. Rinse and shampoo with Royal Treatment Color, gloss protecting shampoo and conditioner.